Hey guys, it's Deepica. Today's video, I am going to be talking all things Estee Lauder. I'm really excited because Estee Lauder has really big news about their Advanced Night Serum, which you guys of course know it's iconic to the brand. They are celebrating the fact that the Advanced Night Serum is now available at Sephora in store and online of course. And in celebration of that, I am partnering with them to share with you guys my favorite Estee Lauder products available at Sephora. Of course, I have to obviously start with the ANR, the Advanced Night Serum. It's one of Estee Lauder's #1 selling products and it has hyaluronic acid and antioxidants inside of it that just seep into your skin at night. They basically call it your 8-hour sleep in a bottle. Oil-free and fragrance-free, which is great, obviously, for anyone who has any type of sensitive skin. That makes a lot of sense for you. I basically apply this after I wash my face. I put my toner on, my under-eye cream, and then I put this serum on. One squeeze of this, drop it in my hands, rub it into my hands, and put it all over my face. I even carry it through to my neck area. Makes your skin look really radiant, rested, and healthy, just like beautiful, bright skin. I mean, you guys, when I even posted this on Instagram the other day, everyone was like, this is an iconic favorite. It's just like changed the way my face looks. How many times can I say iconic in one video? If you guys haven't tried this out and you're like, okay, well, I don't wanna just commit. I like wanna try it to like really make sure that it makes sense for my skin. You can actually go in store at Sephora and they're giving out samples for you guys to try. Details on that for how long that is happening is right down below. Another thing that I use from them are these, and I'm gonna say this wrong, Ampules. I feel like I'm gonna say it wrong, whatever. I call them capsules, but the official name from Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, they call it Intensive Recovery Ampules. So what this does, guys, a few reasons I love it. They're these cute little ampules that look like, I don't know, they look really scientific. They're really great for travel. It's really easy to kind of just put them in a little Ziploc bag and take it with you when you're traveling. And this really is just a way to really like kind of remove the things that stress brings to your skin. It helps you, when you look tired and dreary and worn out, that's when these ampules really make sense. After you put on the serum, you can put this on as an additional step to really give your skin some like lovin'. Another product from Estee Lauder, part of the Advanced Night Repair collection that I like is this mask, the Advanced Night Repair mask. It's really fun. I take it with me when I travel. You guys know I always take some sort of sheet mask with me whenever I travel. This is a concentrated formula of the serum packed into this mask. You don't need to use them both hand in hand, but I love these because I love things that are travel friendly. Duh. So basically I think that these masks are kind of taking what the ANR serum does and packing it into a mask and making it really easy for travel. So Estee Lauder DayWear, this is an advanced, don't look at my nails, they aren't done. I'm really trying to, when I say I'm trying to be all natural, that goes down to my nails too. If you can't tell, I'm growing out my hairline. I used to get it threaded and I realized like, I just need to embrace my baby hair. So that's what's happening right now. So this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Multi-Protection Antioxidant UV Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 50. What that means to me is that it is my SPF. I love being in the sun. My whole life I hid from the sun because I was told that dark wasn't pretty and I had to be fair skinned, and now I'm so over it. I love the sun. It's therapeutic, it feels good. Taking care of your skin is no joke, you guys. Like really making sure that you're protecting your skin from the sun is really important. So using an SPF that you trust is really important, and this one from Estee Lauder I like to use a lot. It's a UV protection, broad spectrum, really make sure that you're taking care of your skin. Okay, so moving on from the skincare side of things and going into makeup, a few products I love from Estee Lauder are so surprising. A Double Wear Stay in Place makeup, of course, another iconic favorite. I wear the shade Toasty Toffee. Of course, it varies, in parts of my skin. The Toasted Toffee, for the most part, as you can see, gives you a really nice full coverage that lasts all day long and just this like beautiful finish. It's more of a full coverage foundation, just keep that in mind, and a really great yellow undertone to it that I absolutely love. Another product I absolutely love from Estee Lauder is this Bronze Goddess Estee Lauder. I wear the shade 4 Deep. I have it on right now. Check it out. You know why I love it? It's really hard to find a bronzer that works for my skin tone, and it is beautiful. It has a built-in brush to it that you can use also. Really great for summertime. You guys are always asking me for bronzers that work for my skin tone. This one is really, really great. And last but not least, I can't talk about my favorite Estee Lauder products without talking about a lip. Duh. This is another one, an iconic favorite. Again, I swear to God, I love the word iconic. It just fits the Estee Lauder brand. I'm wearing it right now in the shade Power Grab 231. I felt like Power Grab was appropriate for me. The Pure Color Envy lipsticks are just so incredible. I mean, you can go back to one of my very first YouTube videos and I was talking about these lipsticks. It was like the shade Irrepressible. It was a red, a plum, and something else, because I love their range of colors, the pigmentations. They're just so beautiful. Oh, they're so luscious. And it just feels like a true lipstick is going on your lips. Anyways, it's always just been a favorite of mine. The versatility in the shade ranges, the pigmentation of the formula, and I love how it just kind of flops together. I mean, there's so many other favorites. I could keep going and going, but these are some that I love, think you guys really need to know about, all available at Sephora. More information down below. Don't forget to check out the Advanced Night Repair. If you're a VIB, you get a discount. If you don't want to take my word for it, go in store, try it out, see what you think. You will notice a difference the next day. So that's what makes me really excited and confident to say that to you guys. Let me know down below what your favorite Estee Lauder product is. I would love to hear and see if it's something that I've used or it's something I could discover. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Man, I always mean to say that in the beginning of the video, but I always forget. Fine, hopefully you're watching all the way through like you should be. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next time. And take care of your skin, SPF it up, put on some serum. It's an important thing and you will regret it. I sound like my mom, oh my gosh, but it's true.